guys, it's me, Skylar Slisher. I am back for another video. This one is Man in the Mirror, the Joyful Noise version, and I am singing with the audio version with them singing. So, if I mess up, I will try not to, but hopefully you guys like it, and if you like it, subscribe down below, like, comment, and yeah, let's start. As I turn up my collar on, my favorite kind of cold, the sun is blowing my mind. I see kids in the street with not enough to eat. Who am I to be blind and not to see their needs? A summer's disregard, a broken bottle top, and a worn man's soul. And follow each other on the wind, you know, 'cause they got nowhere to go. That's why I want you to know I'm starting with the man in the mirror. I'm asking him to change his ways, and no message could have been any clearer. If you wanna make the world a better place, take a look at yourself and make a change. Oh, na 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 na. Yeah. Been a victim of my selfish kind of love. It's time that I realize it's on. Will it be alone? Will it be really me? Maybe not doing it all alone. A little deeper sky, somebody's broken heart, and washed down dreams, washed down dreams. When you see, 'cause I got no place to be. That's why I'm starting with me. I'm starting with the man in the mirror, asking him to change his ways. No message could have been any clearer. If you want to make the world a better place, take a look at yourself and make that change. I'm asking him to change his ways. No message could have been any clearer. If you want to make the world a better place, yeah, make that change. Lose your mind. Oh, guys, my other device that I was playing my music on had a mishaps, so that's as much as I'm gonna sing, I guess, today, according to what my device is telling me. So, hopefully with what I did so far in this video was good. So, yeah, thanks. Subscribe down below, don't forget that. Like, comment, and share, and so people can see me sing. And if there's other things you'd like me to sing, then put it down below. I will read your comments, and hopefully I can get around to it. Okay, thank you.